So now, having said a few information about the exterior to guide you through this this goal of making a TT and making a sports car, the second goal, making a sports car, is very important in the interior. So very early in the design process, we said we need to make a very legitimate sports car interior, and therefore we tried to minimize and reduce all possible distraction, information flow from the driver to the machine that could eventually distract the driver from his eyes from following the road. That means we took all the information and we brought all the information in the fields of vision of the driver as close as possible, that where the eyes are following the road. So this is a very important point, and obviously it's changing radically the architecture of this information, of this interior. There's no removable screen in the middle. Everything is here. So this was allowing us as in the design team to create a very new and fresh interior, and the aspect of reduction and lightweight design was taking place very, very strongly in the interior. The dashboard is influenced from an airplane wing, and the section is also very lightweight. The air vents are inspired from turbines, and it's perfectly integrated. If we start and activate the car, you will see now that the all climate control are integrated in the vents. I'll close. I open the system now. Here you have the flow direction that you want, or defrost, or at the legs or at the body, the airflow to have the airflow direction. Here you control the temperature like this, and here you control the velocity of the air, which is very interesting because where you touch, you feel what's happening at the tip of your fingers. When you change the temperature, you go colder or warmer, you feel the reaction of the machine at on your fingers as well, the velocity of the air. When you change the direction of air from the turbine, this way, for example, facing this way here, the air will go that direction. Here the air goes more upwards. Then the design remain always the same. It's very, very clean and very neat, and it's reduced in an horizontal way that expresses the lightweight of the design. Now, leaving the climate control and coming back to the combi instrument, the digital cockpit is fascinating because it's perfectly integrated in its environment, and you can change from a tick of the view button if you want to give priority to car information, or if you want to give priority to MMI information and navigation. So you change at any time you want the information priority while driving. It's working fantastic, and it's really neat and a very clear graphic. So all the commands that you need are here on the steering. You see now that we have a really, really compact airbag geometry, which is opening a lot of space for the information, and to have a really open and clean steering wheel with open spoke to reinforce the fact that we wanted to create a lightweight design. Yeah. MMI touch is also part of this car, so you can give commando. For example, if we go to telephone or navigation, then you can describe letters as you want. So, which is very interesting because you can describe a B or A with your fingers without looking at this. I mean, intuitive. You can keep your eyes on the road and describe as you wish A without looking at it. So it's also a very safe way to give information in the system. Also, is the center console is also available for the passenger to give information and commando in the system. So altogether, a very, very clean design, very reduced, but to support the philosophy that we have a sports car, and the fast driving effect is here optimized and supported at best for the driver.